there, welcome back. Today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing. I do these videos every single month here on my channel where I share my Boxycharm for the month. So I have the box for August right here. I'm very excited. These are some of my favorite videos to film and you guys always seem to enjoy them. I love just like the element of surprise when it comes to these because I don't know what I'm gonna get in my box. You guys don't know. So it's just fun to watch these personally, and I also feel like they're just fun to film as well. If you are new to my Boxycharm unboxings, this is a monthly subscription service. It comes out every single month. It is $25 and we receive 5 to 6 full-size items every single month, and it's supposed to be valued at $125 each box. That being said, I'm going to go ahead and start unboxing my box. So Boxycharm does send these to me to review, just so you guys know. I'm always honest with my opinion on them. This is the card that comes inside of the box, and I have here this one that is actually, what is the theme? It says Spa, Glamping, Sunbathe, Yoga, and Slumber. So I'm guessing it's like a camping type of theme. And then also my variation is number 24. You guys always ask me. It is 24 on my box. So let's go ahead and start the unboxing. The first thing that I see in here is a set of brushes. I think it's been a minute since I've at least gotten brushes in my box, and I always love getting different brushes. So this is the I Got This 4-piece eye brush collection, and this is from Morphe. So here's what that looks like. Let's go ahead and open it up. So inside of here it says you have an oval shadow brush, a pro firm blending crease brush, a tapered mini blending brush, and then an angle liner brush as well. It's saying that the retail value is $12 for this brush set right here. I enjoy a lot of Morphe's brushes, so I'm excited to have a set from them. So let's go ahead and pull these out. Ooh. All right, so these are definitely like light. They're very like light. I feel like compared to my other like Morphe brushes, they seem a little bit, I was trying to grab one there, but I don't see one, but these are definitely like lighter in the handle. I don't know if these are like an exclusive to Boxycharm, but they definitely feel different. I also feel like the hairs on this one, I don't know if you guys can tell, but they're all kind of like, let's see if we get a little closer here. The hairs are like kind of crazy on this brush, but I'm sure it's fine. I normally like their brushes. I feel like they're pretty good quality. This one feels actually pretty soft. So we have the angle brush, the blending brush, a little bit of a smaller blending brush, and then we also have the shader brush so you can pack your colors on with that. So again, 4 different brushes, which is always exciting to get. So let's go ahead and move on to the next product. We have a product from Glamglow. I feel like we got a product from them not long ago. It was that berry mask. I really liked that one. So this one is called their Moisture Trip Omega Rich Moisture. And let's go ahead and see if we can open this up and give a look at it. I don't think I've heard of this prior, so I'm not really sure what to expect here, but here is what it looks like. It almost has like a green tint to it. It does have a bit of a scent, so let's see how it looks. Feels like it's going to be really hydrating. So here's kind of what it looks like. Rub that in there. It feels more of like a gel almost, but it's like a little bit thicker than a gel. So we have that. Let's see the price on the Glamglow moisturizer. So this is going to be $54, so it is a little bit pricey. So it says it's a lightweight anti-redness moisturizer that has cannabis and seed oil so that it helps calm irritation, relieve visible redness, and optimize skin's barrier defenses against environmental assault. So this is soothing formula with hyaluronic acid, proven to hydrate all day, provides instant relief from skin stress. So it sounds like it's going to be a pretty decent moisturizer. Again, $54. I feel like this is quite a large container in here. You are getting 1.7 ounces in here, so definitely a lot of products. All right, our next thing we have in here, this is from Real Her. This is the I Am Inspiring Definer Brow Pencil. And I think I have this one actually. I want to say I've tried this one. I know I have one from Real Her. I'm not exactly sure if this is the same one I have, but if it is, I do really like it. I think it is. So let me pull it out here so I can show you guys. So here is the pencil right here. And I'll show you guys a close-up of the tip. So it is just a brow pencil, and then it does have a spoolie here on the end. If I remember correctly, I do like this one. It does have a little bit of waxiness to it, but it's pretty nice on the brows. Here are a couple of strokes of it right there, and I don't know if this has the shade name on here. I don't see. Okay, so this one is, I don't see a shade. So I'm not sure if everyone's going to get a shade that kind of caters to them a little bit more, but that is the brow pencil there. And this one is for the cost in this one, it's $16. Okay, and then we have another product. So this one here is from, I can never pronounce this brand, Aesthetica, I think is how you say it. And this is the Sunset Bronzer. This is something different. I feel like we're getting a few different kind of products in this month's box. And let's go ahead and show you guys what this one looks like. I don't think I've tried anything from this brand. I might have tried like their brush set. I want to say they have like brushes. I might have tried at one point. This is very hard to open. I feel like I need like tweezers. Okay, I got it open. I feel like I hate it when compacts are just like super hard to open. But here is what the bronzer looks like. It is in the shade Sunset again. And this actually looks pretty nice. It looks like a nice like cool toned bronze. I love this type of shade just for like contouring. So here's what it looks like on my skin tone there. Again, I'm not sure if there's going to be different variations on this, different bronzer variations for different skin tones here, but this one looks pretty good for more like fair to medium skin tones. I think it's going to be pretty. It is a matte bronzer, so I'm excited about that. It does have a mirror as well. I don't feel like I get many like bronzers. I feel like we get a lot of highlights in these boxes, so that's kind of something exciting to get. And then we just have one more product in this month's box, and this is from Butter London. This is the Teddy Boy eyeshadow palette, so I'll go ahead and open this up. Butter London has a nice formula when it comes to their shadows. So here is what that package looks like right here, and it actually folds out, which is kind of fun. I feel like a lot of eyeshadows don't do that. So here is the inside of that palette. You do have a tiny little mirror right there. So we have some more blues, a couple of mauve shades, a brown, and then it says "Looking Good, Darling" right there, which I think is super cute. So let's do a couple of swatches. I'm excited to see what these shades swatch like. All right, so swatches are right here. So there are 9 different colors to the palette. Seems like they swatched decent. The mattes look a little bit like less pigmented than I thought they'd be. They look a little like underwhelming, but that's not always a bad thing when it comes to mattes. Sometimes I prefer them to be a little bit less pigmented because I feel like they're easier to blend on the eyes. I feel like we have some fun like pops with that last like shimmery shade right there, and then that one in the middle looks really pretty as well. So that is fun. So to summarize this month's box, we got the eyeshadow palette, we also got the bronzer, the brow pencil, we got the brush set. This had the 4 different brushes in it, and then we also got the moisturizer here. So I'm gonna go ahead and add up the total of my box so we can see if we got a good value. All right, so the total value of my box this month is $134. So we are supposed to have $125, so it's right over the mark on mine. So I think it's a pretty good box. I think we got some different products in here when it came to the brushes, the brow, the bronzer. I feel like we don't normally get like bronzing powders, and I think that that was something kind of different to get in here. You have to let me know if you've tried any of these products. I haven't personally tried any of them besides the brow pencil, so I always love getting like new products I've never tried before. But comment down below what you got inside of your Boxycharm. Give this one a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxings. Subscribe if you are new, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.